Here's some community art projects trivia. Subscribe. Which public art project features large inflatable animals in the desert? Is it A, giant golden camel, B, inflatable clock tower, C, floating rubber whale, or D, giant plastic dinosaur? The correct answer is A, giant golden camel. What is the name of the street art initiative in San Francisco focusing on murals? Is it A, colorful streets, B, art district, C, mission murals, or D, graffiti walls? The correct answer is C, mission murals. What community art project aims to create public parks in underutilized spaces? Is it A, Take Back the Streets, B, Parking Day, C, Urban Green Project, or D, Community Garden Initiative? The correct answer is B, Park Day. What is the large mural project in Philadelphia known for its historical significance? Is it A, Street Art Initiative, B, Mural Mosaic Program, C, Mural Arts Philadelphia, or D, Philadelphia Wall Project? The correct answer is C, Mural Arts Philadelphia. What community art project promotes local artists at the intersection of art and urban spaces? Is it A, Urban Art Trail, B, Mural Days, C, Art on Main, or D, Street Performance Festival? The correct answer is A, Urban Art Trail. Which public art installation consists of interconnected swings in a park? Is it A, playful pathways, B, art park, C, swing space, or D, swinging sculpture? The correct answer is C, swing space. Which public art initiative involves using recycled materials to create installations? Is it A, Urban Gardening Initiative, B, Environmental Sculpture Fest, C, Trash Art Movement, or D, Recycled Art Project? The correct answer is D, Recycled Art Project. What project involves local communities in creating site-specific art installations? Is it A, Nature Art Festival, B, Local Sculpture Showcase, C, Site-Specific Art, or D, Public Mural Program? The correct answer is C, Site-Specific Art. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.